Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video. And today, guys, we're going to be continuing painting the interior of the truck, going from that red to the peanut butter color. So I've already kind of gone ahead of myself and painted a lot of the stuff. But let's go ahead and go over the stuff I painted and the stuff I still need to paint. So here we have the airbag that goes on the dash. I completely took that off from the truck. Make sure, guys, if you guys are messing with your airbag system, you disconnect the negative off your battery just so the shit doesn't blow up in your face. But it's pretty easy. It's got 2 screws in the bottom, and then I think it has 2 more screws right here on each side. I'm not going to show you how I took this off. I have a video of when I first painted my interior red of how I took all this shit off. So if you guys want to see that, I'll post a link in the description so you guys can watch that video. But I took the airbag off. I painted the new air vents that I got at Easy Hustle. I painted them the peanut butter with the black. And then I did the dash bezel black, peanut butter. I did the side panels that go also on the dash. I painted the column covers that go on the steering wheel. I painted those black. I painted my little switch custom panel that I had bought on eBay, that peanut butter color. I was gonna paint the sun visors, but I kind of tested it on this one of how it would look, and it kind of looks like shit. So I think I'm just gonna leave them like that OEM tan color until I get them reupholstered, because I'm gonna get the seats reupholstered anyways. The handle that goes on the dash currently is being glued because it was peeling, so hopefully by me gluing it, it won't peel anymore. And then I'll paint this one that peanut butter color as well. What else do we got? Sun visor clips, paint those black. I just took off the steering wheel. Also, guys, since you got to take the airbag off, make sure you guys remove your negative from your battery. But the bolt is a 21 millimeter. I took it off almost all the way off to where the bolt was still on the nut, or where the nut was still on the bolt. And then I just kind of like yanked the steering wheel so it would come loose, and that did the job. So that was pretty easy. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this all peanut butter. Or am I painting black? I don't know. Should I do black? I think I'm gonna do it black, because I got the brown steering wheel cover that's gonna go on it. So I think I'm gonna do it black. Same with this, I'm gonna do this black. I already said I was doing that. The dash is already in the back of the truck getting ready to put on. These are the little side panels that go up, the columns that go on the pillars. These were originally like a semi-gloss. I just went over it with this satin black from Seam. And this is the paint I'm using, guys, Seam paint. This is the best kind of paint you can use for plastics or vinyl. So that's what I'm using today. These go on the side of the dash. Put these over here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this airbag painted, and then we're gonna go ahead and start painting the steering wheel. But letting this one dry, give it probably one more coat, and this should be good. And I'll show you guys what the truck looks like right now with everything taken apart. Alright, guys, so we're painting the steering wheel. I just did the under part of it. We're doing that black. Look who decided to join us, La Cheyenne. It's also lunchtime, so I made myself a torta de chorizo. So we're gonna go ahead and start painting the top part, and then we're gonna get to putting everything back together pretty much. I think that's the last part we have to paint. Now we can put everything back together. Guys, if you're eating a torta con chorizo, don't forget your chiles con vinagre. This shit is busting.
Hello.
It's so juicy. This shit squared all over here when I bit it. Alright, guys, we're out the truck. Bezel's out, as you can tell. I just put the dash in. I forgot to record, but here's the old one. Here's the new one. As you can tell, it's all that peanut butter color. I'm still gonna keep my dash cover just because it matches my suede headliner, but I gotta get rid of the sun visors, and I still gotta get these painted and then these painted, but I think I might do those a different day. And obviously the door panels and the seat covers, those all gotta go. But for the most part, this is what I was working on the front, and it's looking good, guys. It's looking good. So now I just gotta put all these screws back in that I took out previously, and yeah, let's keep going. All right, so we got the side panels in, little air vents. We got the pillars on both sides in, got the air vents in. We got the window switches in. Got the steering column in, and now I gotta put the dash bezel in, and the steering wheel will be the last thing I do. All right, guys. So I got the bezel in. Everything's looking good so far. Only problem I realized is, so my truck has an aftermarket alarm, and then I have a switch for my, not the fog light. I have a switch for the light bar in my bumper that used to be right here, and then the little aftermarket alarm light was like right next to it. And I didn't drill holes in the new one because I like how it looks without the holes. So what I ended up doing is just put the little LED bulb right here, and then I got the button right here, which doesn't look too bad. It kind of looks like a mouse button or something. But yeah, that's the only thing I noticed that I didn't do. Time to put the steering wheel back in though. Everything's looking great. I love it. Steering wheel is now in, guys. Pretty much complete. Last thing I'm gonna do is put the steering wheel cover, the stitch on one, to make the whole steering wheel look just nicer. Here's the old stuff. I already have the dash ready to go to one of the homies from Bowls. His is all fucking cracked, so told him he can have mine. Mine's in perfect condition, as you can tell. This one, if anybody wants it, hit me up. I'll probably gonna end up throwing it away anyways. So yeah, hit me up with that. But yeah, pretty much done. Steering wheel's the last thing to do. Alright, guys, so I came into a little complication if you guys can't tell already. So these Denali sun visors, I guess, are longer than these stock ones. So if you can tell, these are my points for the stock head sun visor, and the only ones go all the way out here. So this one doesn't reach on either side, which doesn't really bother me, to be honest, because they still stay up on by themselves. But obviously it's not gonna work. But I mean, what do you guys think? Should I just leave them? Because these have mirrors on both sides. What do you guys think I should do? Should I just leave it? Fuck it? Or should I just go for some original ones? So these I left them just so they can give support to the headliner, so it doesn't sag. But I can always switch them to the smaller ones that I have and just paint those black so that they're not the big ones like these. Or maybe buy like little caps. I don't know. Something so I can hold up the sun visor without having these in the way, and not just keep these. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna keep these and then just find like a cap or something with a screw that I can put in this place. Something. We'll see. Comment down below, what do you guys think? But so this is the steering wheel that I got. I realized it's a little bit darker brown than the one I painted, but it's still gonna look pretty good. Not too bad. I can always get a new one a little bit lighter. but this will work for now. Time to put it on. We're finally finished, guys. Steering wheel's all in. What do you guys think about that black with that brown peanut butter outside? I think that looks better. I was originally gonna go with the peanut butter inner and then the brown steering wheel cover, but I think this gives it more of a pop look. I still gotta do the handle. It's drying right now. I was able to glue it and fix it, so that's good. Only thing left now is door panels and the seat covers, guys. Like I said in future videos, I'm actually gonna get these reupholstered, no more seat covers, so wait for that. Might do it out in Texas with Speedy Headliner out in Texas, but we'll see. If I go to a shop in Texas, then obviously I can get the seats done and all that, so hopefully that comes through. But yeah, what do you guys think about it right now? Whole dash, center console done, steering wheel done, and then sun visors finally in, even though they didn't match up. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. Perfect.